How to fix Telegram, this phone number is banned. This tutorial shows you how to contact support to appeal your ban. First, open your web browser on your Android device. Next, go to telegram.org in the address bar. Following that, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Now, tap on Contact or Support. Moving forward, you'll be taken to the Telegram support page. Afterwards, look for the option to submit a ban appeal or contact form. In addition to that, fill out the form with your banned phone number and explain why you believe the ban was a mistake. Once there, provide as much detail as possible about your situation. Subsequently, include your phone number in the correct international format. Moreover, tap Submit to send your appeal to Telegram's review team. Afterwards, wait for Telegram support to respond via email, which may take several days. Then, if approved, your phone number will be unbanned and you can use Telegram again. And that's it. If this ban appeal guide helped you contact Telegram support, give it a like, subscribe for more messaging app tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.